What's up fellas, my name is Ashmit from Techy and today I'm going to show you that how you can create your own web page just like uh, wait, let me show you this one. So without wasting any time, let's spread technology. Before starting, I must tell you that we are gonna code in HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So it is a basic coding language or programming language for beginners. So to begin with, you have to open any text editor. I prefer you to use Notepad. So after opening the Notepad, you have to type several tags. So what are tags? Tags are the commands which specify the function of several content to show them how to be displayed over the web. So first of all, we are gonna type the tag HTML. To start a tag, we have to start it with the angular bracket opening and then angular bracket closing when we have to close it. So after doing this, HTML tag defines that this file contains HTML coding. So after we have started a tag, we also have to close it. Every tag must be closed, which is a container tag. So to close a tag, you have to put an opening angular bracket, then forward slash, then the name of the tag, for example HTML, and then closing angular bracket. So within these two, we have to complete our coding. So we have to write another tag called the head tag. So what head tag is that it contains several information about your website like meta, title, scripts, CSS, etc. So we will not go that deep in this video because this is the first basic tutorial. I will just introduce you with the title tag. In the title tag, you write the name of your website. So I'm writing my first website. So here we have to now close the title tag, and after that we have to close the head tag. Okay, so now we have to begin another tag called the body tag, which specifies the content you have to show in the main window of your browser. So let's do this. Body tag, yep, and here we can write, first of all let me close this. Okay, so we have closed this, and now here we can type anything. First let me show you the preview of this coding. So we have to save it from here, and then I'm saving it to the desktop. To save an HTML file, you must keep in mind that you have to keep save as type as all files, the encoding as Unicode, and the file name will be index dot. You have to always write dot html at the end of your file name, so that it specifies that this is an HTML file. So now here is my website. Now let's open it. Okay, okay, so here you can see my first website is the title. Here it has been displayed, and the body is completely blank because we haven't entered anything here. So now let me enter hello world. So this basically is the text we have to display over here. So now let's save this file and reload our website. Here you can see hello world has been displayed over here, and now we have to change its look by stylizing it, as it is looking very simple. So let's do this with the h1 tag. The h1 tag is a type of heading tag, and the number which is after the h specifies the level of the heading tag. The biggest level is 1, which shows the biggest and the boldest tag, and the lowest level is 6 or 5, which shows the lowest text. So I'm using the h1, and now let's close the h1 after hello world. Let's close this and let's save this. Here you can see the look of this phrase has been completely changed. Now I want this to be in the center of my web page. So what can I do is I'll put an attribute, which is the align attribute, in the h1 tag. So to put an attribute, you have to enter a space and then write align equals to. You can put inverted commas or not if you do not wish to, but putting inverted commas looks a bit professional. So here we have to type CE and TR, not the center we use like that only. It is the different spelling here. So now here we can save this, and let's see what's the output of this. Here you can see that this is in the center. Now let's change the background color of this website. So now wait a minute. Okay, so to change it, we have to put the attribute in this body tag called bg color, and the colors we have to do it without any space, and the colors spelling are color. So now let's do this. I think yellow will be fine. Okay, let's save this. Here you can see that the bg color, which is the background color, has been changed to yellow. We can also change it to any other color. We can put hexadecimal values or just simply the color. Here I have written cyan. Let's see. Yeah, so this was the first basic tutorial of the web page, HTML designing web page. So I hope you like this video and comment on this and share it with your family and friends. See you in the next one. This was Ashmit Singh from Techy Pizza signing off.